Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. So said the ancient Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu, and in these simple words, he encapsulated the profound power and mystery of love. Imagine, if you will, standing on the shore of a vast ocean. The waves roll in, one after the other, with a force and rhythm that's beyond your control. You can't command the sea to be still, nor can you urge it into a tempest. It moves according to its own deep, unknowable laws. In the same way, love operates in our lives. It rises up within us, not at the command of our conscious minds, but from the unfathomable depths of our souls. Like the ocean, love is a force of nature that we cannot control. We can't choose who we love any more than we can choose the waves that wash upon our shore. Our hearts, in their innate wisdom, recognize the one who is meant for us. We may resist, we may deny, but ultimately, love asserts itself as an undeniable truth. Think back on the moments of love in your own life. Those instances where your heart seemed to choose for you, where you were drawn to another with a force that felt as inevitable as the tide. Perhaps it was a sudden realization, like a wave crashing on the shore. Or maybe it was a slow, steady pull, the gentle ebb and flow of the sea. In these experiences, we encounter the mystery and wonder of our existence. Love, in its uncontrollable, unpredictable beauty, reminds us that we are not simply rational beings. We are beings of depth and passion, guided by the wisdom of our hearts and souls. So as you navigate the ocean of life, remember, it's not about controlling the waves, but learning to ride them. Allow love to rise from the depths to carry you where it will. For in the end, it is love, this most powerful, most mysterious of forces, that gives our lives meaning and joy.